The story of Tesla's Optimus is nothing short of fascinating. What began as a bold announcement by Elon Musk, seen by many as science fiction, has quickly evolved into one of the most ambitious robotics projects in history. Unlike traditional industrial robots, Optimus is not confined to a single repetitive task. Instead, it is being built as a multi-purpose humanoid assistant, capable of performing a wide spectrum of activities. This makes it a cornerstone in Musk's larger vision to integrate artificial intelligence, advanced robotics, and sustainable energy into everyday life. When Tesla quietly unveiled the updated architecture of Optimus's arm, it signaled a turning point. Gone was the older, heavier design. In its place was a lightweight, more sophisticated system that is 25% lighter, yet far more powerful and efficient. This change is not just cosmetic, it fundamentally alters what the robot can achieve. A lighter structure reduces inertia, making movement smoother, faster, and less energy-intensive. That means Optimus can now accomplish tasks with greater agility, whether in industrial assembly lines or household environments. The new arm features an integrated harmonic reducer, a crucial innovation that enhances torque delivery while maintaining compactness. By embedding this technology directly into the joint, Tesla managed to improve strength and accuracy without sacrificing fluidity of movement. Harmonic reducers are often used in high-end robotic arms for surgical or aerospace applications, and bringing them into Optimus shows Tesla's intent to push humanoid robotics into uncharted territory. The inclusion of regenerative braking also means less wasted energy, a design philosophy consistent with Tesla's overall mission. One of the most groundbreaking aspects of Optimus is its ability to learn tasks simply by watching. While most robots are confined to rigid programming or require hours of supervised training, Optimus can absorb new skills at an astonishing pace. With just a few video demonstrations, it can pick up as many as 100 new skills in a single day. That means everything from tightening bolts on a car engine to playing a musical instrument is within reach. This ability marks a clear departure from the limited scope of current robotics. Imagine showing Optimus a tutorial on motorcycle engine repair. After just one viewing, it would be capable of replicating every step, disassembling, analyzing, and reassembling the machine without error. No other humanoid robot has demonstrated such adaptability. Elon Musk has often stressed that the key difference with Tesla's approach lies in artificial intelligence. The robot is not bound by static instructions. It evolves, learns, and improves continuously. This is the very essence of Musk's vision for Optimus, a robot that behaves less like a machine and more like an adaptive assistant. The Gen 3 version of Optimus moves beyond the experimental prototype stage and into near-production readiness. Tesla has built this version with mass manufacturing in mind, focusing on cost-effectiveness, reliability, and scalability. This shift reflects Tesla's long-term strategy. Just as it disrupted the automotive industry by making electric cars mainstream, Tesla now aims to redefine labor and automation with humanoid robots. The quiet release of the new images underscores Musk's approach to let results speak louder than marketing hype. At the core of the Optimus upgrade is the hand. Elon Musk has repeatedly emphasized that while legs are useful for mobility, hands are what truly define utility in humanoid robots. Without dexterous hands, a robot is little more than a moving shell. Tesla's engineering team therefore devoted enormous resources to perfecting the actuators, sensors, and structure of the hands. Each digit is capable of nuanced motion, pressure sensitivity, and precision control, making Optimus one of the most advanced robotic platforms in existence today. The new Optimus boasts 22 degrees of freedom, meaning its movements are not stiff or robotic, but fluid and natural. This allows it to perform complex tasks such as typing, assembling small electronic parts, or even playing the piano. To achieve this, Tesla replaced the old dual-hinge shoulder mechanism with a sophisticated ball joint system equipped with harmonic reduction. This provides true 3-degree freedom in the arms, expanding the robot's reach and versatility. Such a design leap bridges the gap between mechanical engineering and lifelike function. Tesla's engineers also focused on durability and efficiency. By constructing the body from magnesium and aluminum alloys reinforced with carbon fiber, they achieved a 25% weight reduction while maintaining strength. This makes Optimus not only lighter but also capable of performing physically demanding tasks with less energy consumption. The improvement allows the robot to carry loads of up to 7 kilograms with the same fluidity that earlier prototypes managed only 5 kilograms. That kind of efficiency could transform logistics and manufacturing industries. Another leap forward lies in the embedded sensors distributed across Optimus's joints. These sensors measure torque, force, and position in milliseconds, enabling real-time adjustments. The robot can therefore shift seamlessly between handling delicate objects like glassware and lifting heavier equipment. This dynamic versatility is what sets Tesla's creation apart from other humanoid robots. Instead of being locked into one category like domestic service or industrial labor, Optimus has the potential to cover them all. The compact architecture also routes all cables and pneumatics internally. This not only improves safety by reducing exposure to external hazards but also simplifies maintenance. Internal routing ensures that the robot can operate in a wider variety of environments, from kitchens and hospitals to assembly plants. It reflects Tesla's attention to detail. A robot designed not just for performance but for long-term reliability in real-world settings. Artificial intelligence remains the central pillar of Optimus. The robot is powered by Tesla's advanced neural network, the same system that drives the company's autonomous vehicles. This shared foundation means Tesla can leverage its vast experience in computer vision and real-time decision-making. Optimus sees, interprets, and reacts to its environment dynamically, whether it is navigating around furniture at home or avoiding obstacles on a busy factory floor. The level of integration ensures the robot is never simply executing commands. It is actively adapting. With advanced computer vision, Optimus can observe a human performing a task and then replicate it independently. This makes it not only a worker, but also a learner. In an educational context, it could teach music, crafts, or technical skills simply by absorbing demonstrations. The potential applications span across industries and households, reshaping how society perceives labor, learning, and companionship. In Musk's view, this robot is not just a machine but a revolutionary tool for humanity. The Gen 3 design also integrates water-resistant hands and optimized power management. This means Optimus can function in more challenging environments, such as kitchens, warehouses, or even outdoors. Tesla's approach goes beyond flashy prototypes. Every new feature is engineered for practicality and mass adoption. Musk has been vocal about the fact that success lies not in building a few impressive units but in scaling production to thousands, then millions of functional robots. Elon Musk often points out that the real revolution with Optimus is not just its technical capacity, but its scalability. Building a handful of humanoid robots for demonstrations is something many labs around the world have attempted. But bringing that design to the point where thousands can be produced reliably, efficiently, and affordably is another challenge altogether. Tesla's decades of experience in scaling production for electric vehicles now serves as the foundation for this new frontier in robotics. Earlier this year, Tesla quietly completed the very first full Gen 3 prototype, a milestone that went largely unnoticed by the mainstream media. The prototype was assembled using over 1,000 uniquely engineered components, many of which were designed in-house to reduce dependency on third parties. By creating its own supply chain for critical parts like actuators, Tesla ensures long-term stability in production. This step mirrors how the company once approached batteries, moving from dependence on suppliers to vertical integration. Musk celebrated the achievement by emphasizing that Optimus was no longer a science experiment. Instead, it was now a product ready for real-world application. He noted that this transition was harder than many anticipated. Every actuator, joint, and sensor had to be rethought with cost efficiency and durability in mind. The design process had to balance innovation with manufacturability, because in Musk's words, a prototype means nothing if you can't build 10,000 of them. The production goals for Optimus are bold and perhaps even audacious. Tesla aims to build 5,000 units by the end of the current year. The roadmap then scales rapidly, 10,000 to 12,000 units shortly thereafter, 50,000 within the next year, and eventually hundreds of thousands per year. By 2027, Musk envisions annual production exceeding 500,000 robots. The long-term projection stretches into millions per year, with the potential to surpass even automobile manufacturing in sheer volume. This scale is not purely aspirational. Tesla has already demonstrated its ability to scale with vehicles like the Model 3 and Model Y, which went from limited production to dominating global EV sales. The same network of gigafactories, battery production facilities, and robotics lines will serve as the backbone of Optimus manufacturing. If Tesla succeeds, Optimus could become one of the most mass-produced pieces of advanced machinery in human history, comparable to the smartphone in ubiquity. Deployment will begin internally. Tesla plans to release about 1,000 robots into its own factories, assigning them to repetitive and labor-intensive tasks. These may include transporting heavy materials, organizing 4680 battery cells, or supporting quality control operations. This internal rollout not only provides real-world testing, but also proves Optimus's value in an industrial setting. If the robot demonstrates reliability in Tesla's demanding environment, its credibility for external customers will be firmly established. Following this phase, the company intends to expand access to external businesses. Rental programs are under consideration, where companies could lease Optimus units for on-demand labor. This approach lowers the barrier to entry, allowing small and medium-sized enterprises to benefit from advanced robotics without committing to massive upfront investments. The strategy echoes how software as a service revolutionized computing, suggesting a future where robotics as a service becomes a mainstream model. By 2026, Musk has hinted that Optimus may even be available to the general public. This move would represent a seismic shift in how households perceive automation. For decades, the idea of owning a humanoid robot has been confined to science fiction. Yet Tesla envisions a world where families purchase robots as naturally as they buy cars or smartphones. In the household setting, Optimus could perform cleaning, cooking assistance, childcare support, or even companionship tasks. Musk argues that Optimus will be far more important than Tesla's cars in the long run. He notes that vehicles spend most of their time parked, contributing little value during idle hours. Optimus, on the other hand, could be active nearly all day, completing countless tasks and multiplying productivity for individuals and businesses alike. This utility means its potential economic impact dwarfs that of traditional consumer products. Musk projects that Optimus alone could justify a $25 trillion valuation for Tesla. Beyond economics, Musk frequently emphasizes the philosophical implications of humanoid robotics. He sees Optimus as a step toward redefining the very meaning of work. If robots can handle repetitive, dangerous, and exhausting tasks, humans will be free to focus on creativity, innovation, and personal fulfillment. This shift could lead to a restructured society where productivity is no longer chained to human labor hours. The Optimus project, therefore, is not just about building a robot, it is about reshaping civilization. The vision extends even further. Musk has hinted that Optimus could play roles in space exploration. A humanoid robot capable of assembling habitats, maintaining spacecraft, or operating in hostile environments would be invaluable for missions to Mars. Unlike humans, robots do not require oxygen, food, or shelter. They can operate continuously and be upgraded with new skills as needed. This makes them perfect candidates for advancing Musk's dream of making humanity a multiplanetary species. At the core of all this lies Tesla's expertise in AI. The company's neural networks already process millions of hours of driving data, giving Tesla an unparalleled advantage in real-time decision-making systems. Repurposing this capability for robotics means Optimus can process visual input, predict outcomes, and make complex decisions in milliseconds. Whether avoiding a spill in a kitchen or recalculating a task on a factory line, the AI backbone ensures safety, adaptability, and efficiency. Tesla also integrates redundancy and safety mechanisms directly into the robot. Sensors across the body constantly monitor torque, load, and stability, preventing accidents. If a joint experiences abnormal strain, the system automatically compensates or halts motion to avoid damage. This makes Optimus safe not only for industrial environments, but also for personal use around children, pets, or fragile objects. Safety by design is one of the reasons Musk believes mass adoption is feasible within the next few years. While many robotics companies have shown flashy prototypes, few have managed to demonstrate adaptability across such a wide range of tasks. Boston Dynamics Atlas, for example, is an engineering marvel but is not designed for mass production or consumer use. Optimus, by contrast, is engineered with cost, scalability, and practical application in mind. This difference in approach could allow Tesla to leapfrog competitors and define the future of humanoid robotics.